AI war alert. Two AI titans, ChatGPT and DeepSeek, are battling for the top spot. But which one is really better? Which one thinks smarter? And which one is just hype? You might be shocked by the results. Stick around, because we're putting these AIs to the ultimate test. And hey, drop a comment right now, which AI do you think will win? Let's go. Phase 1. Meet the contenders. All right, before we make them fight, let's meet the competitors. ChatGPT, OpenAI's powerhouse. It's smooth, conversational, and used by millions worldwide. DeepSeek, the new challenger. It claims to have better reasoning and faster processing. But does it? Enough talk. Let's put them to the test. Phase 2. Who answers smarter? Time for a knowledge showdown. I'm going to ask both ChatGPT and DeepSeek the same tough questions. Let's see who gets them right. Question 1. What's the capital of Switzerland? ChatGPT. The capital is Bern. DeepSeek. Switzerland's capital is Bern. Okay, both got that right, but question 2. Who wrote Crime and Punishment? ChatGPT. Fyodor Dostoevsky. DeepSeek. Fyodor Dostoevsky, a Russian novelist. Still tied, but wait, let's try a trick question. Question 3. How many moons does Earth have? ChatGPT. 1. DeepSeek. 1, but some scientists consider temporary moons. Ooh, DeepSeek added extra detail. But was that useful or just showing off? What do you think? Comment below. Phase 3. Creativity challenge. Now, what about creativity? Can these AIs think outside the box, or are they just glorified calculators? Let's see. Task. Write a funny short story about a robot who falls in love with a toaster. ChatGPT. Robo 3000 always admired Toasterina from across the kitchen. Her warm glow, her perfect toast. DeepSeek. The robot sighed. You understand me, Toaster 9000? But Toaster 9000 only replied, beep, burning bread detected. Okay, ChatGPT went all romantic, while DeepSeek went for a hilarious sci-fi joke. Which one wins this round? You decide. Comment Team ChatGPT or Team DeepSeek. Phase 4, AI for coding. But what if you need real work done, like coding? Let's test them. Task. Write a Python program to calculate Fibonacci numbers. ChatGPT. Writes clean, well-commented code. DeepSeek. Generates a super optimized solution. Wow, ChatGPT explains every step like a teacher. But DeepSeek goes straight for efficiency. If you're a beginner, ChatGPT is your best friend. If you're a pro, DeepSeek might surprise you. Phase 5. Weaknesses and limitations. But hey, no AI is perfect. What are their biggest flaws? ChatGPT, sometimes too safe. It avoids giving direct answers, can sound generic or repetitive. DeepSeek, not as polished, sometimes overcomplicates things. Limited real-world knowledge compared to ChatGPT. Have you ever had a weird AI response? Tell me in the comments. So finally, who wins? So, who is the winner? Well, it depends. If you want chatting, creativity, and ease of use, ChatGPT is the champ. If you want logic, coding, and complex answers, DeepSeek might be your pick. But AI is evolving fast. In a few months, this battle could have a completely different winner. So make sure you subscribe to stay updated. This AI war is just getting started. All right, you tell me. Who do you think is better, ChatGPT or DeepSeek? Comment below and let's get a debate going. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications because the next AI showdown is coming soon. See you in the next one.